awareness will undoubtedly ambassador for hearing care, audiologists and members of healthcare, but also supporting those programs dedicated to hearing health awareness.
Speaking of hearing, I think this is an issue which people don't address. This is also directly related to mental happiness. When you cannot communicate, when you cannot hear, it is normal for a senior citizen or even someone who's younger, who's got this impediment, to go into a shell. So, from what I know, that these are silent killers in a society. And if we can improve our infrastructure, if there are so many young, I heard you sing, what a wonderful voice you have, or about your food, your culture. Can you imagine communicating with your elders in your society, and they could hear you and you could hear them? There is so much of knowledge transfer which takes place. So it is not something which looks alarming, but is very precious. Our smell, our taste, our hearing, these are fundamental things of how humans operate.
To bring awareness to the parents, to protect their children, to give the cell phones in their hands, and loud music, cartoons are put to the children. You can straight away say, this is what Sayyid Kermani says. Right, as the brand ambassador of Anand Hearing Care. Right. I've been the brand ambassador for nearly 18 to 20 years. And this was like magic. It helped me from many embarrassing situations. Instead of the surgery, this was provided to me. I can hear the faintest snick. If I'm given a chance to do wicket keeping now, I can hear the snick standing behind, taking to the fast bowlers. And in the meetings, it was so nice to hear. People speak very softly in meetings. There's a microphone in every meeting, conferences, etc., etc.
Pipi wamaya, pipi parang light water wanga. Sao sarong moite, ulay lang tiro wapayang wanga. Pipi wamaya, pipi parang light water wanga. Sao sarong moite.